the Ban Nam Khem Tsunami Museum. We would be way underwater right here. That wall over there was the height of the wave as it came in. And these boats are actual boats that were in the tsunami that were brought ashore. Phang Nga Provincial Cultural Office. Okay, you are here and all the various different places you can go. Closed on Monday and Tuesday. Boy, we just lucked out. It's nice. They have a video that plays here and you can actually stay and video it. Okay, we're exiting now, and they're going to start the show for the next people.
Yes, right now we are here, Ban Nam Khem village, and here is fishing village. On 26 December 2004, 20 years ago, we got the effect from tsunami. And this one, let me show you the timeline. This is number one is the epicenter of the earthquake at 9 Richter magnitude from Indonesia.
At 9?
Yeah, at 9 Richter. Sumatra Island. And this is the worst one there, Banda Aceh. Tsunami in that area almost 30 meter high and took the people there more than 100,000 lives. Number 3, 4 and 5. Here is south of Thailand. 6 provinces got the effect. The first one, Phuket. And then Phang Nga, Lanao, Krabi, Trang and Stone. All the total in Thailand, tsunami took about 5,400 lives and 2,000 missing. Still missing, maybe the water took them back to the sea to find them. Right now we are here, number 5, Ban Nam Khem village. And here is fishing village. Tsunami in this area, like the wall outside the room. This one will show you how high of the wave, 7 meter high. Came in from the sea there, 2 kilometers in. Everything dropped around here. 2 big fishing boats at the front also came here by the wave. And normally that day 2 of these dropped inside 50 meter more. They were stopped on the villager land. And then the government they brought it and we moved to show you here to be a memorial, to be a museum, to be a learning center.
So this is the height of the wave here? Oh my
The
God.
beach. And everything dropped here, 2 kilometers in.
Look at that. It's way up there.
Yeah. The height of the wave depends on where you are.
How far in town? Safe.
2 kilometers in from the sea. And here is 7, but on Khao Lang area, 12 meter high.
So when we were driving in, where I said is safe? No, not safe.
But there are 30 meter high. The height of the wave depends on where you are.
Yeah.
And that day, all the total in one day, 14 countries got the effect. And tsunami took almost 300,000 lives. Also South Africa.
300,000?
300,000,
oh my God.
Also South Africa, very far away, but they still got the effect. Very terrible. That time we have no any warning system. So many lives were taken. And 20 years ago, here is like a small fishing village. Most of the villagers, they make their house from wood and just one for like a small bungalow. So 80% the house gone, and now we have rebuilt with cement, stronger than the past.
Okay.
And normally almost 400 fishing boats, the small one and the big one, were broken, were taken by the wave.
That's
นี่คืออันจริงใช่ค่ะ the real
yeah.
very terrible that time we have no any warning systems เลยจริงค่ะแต่ผ่านการซ่อมแซมมามันก็เลยดูเหมือนใหม่
The real, but they renovate.
Yeah, yeah. Both of the two boats. There's two there. You see the blue one in the back.
Renovate.
The wave was as tall as this right here, the white deal outside. Crazy. So where we were driving in,
บ้านนักเข็มซึนามิ
yeah, Tsunami Museum, where we were driving in was underwater. Jai?
The debris was destroyed in the real video there. This one you can sizing and take your time. At the end, we have the door on the right side that on the way to sightseeing on the rooftop.
Oh.
We have big area there. Here is one of the safe zone. I'm feeling like we walk on the fishing boat. At the front, we have the sightseeing town that will look like the bamboo fishing trap.
Oh.
On the top of the town, you will see around and you will see the sea. You can't imagine how fast tsunami came in.
Yeah.
Yeah, take your time and enjoy. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay, Krab, thank you.
Thank you ขอบคุณค่ะเดี๋ยวจะ
กดลุกเลย
They do such a good deal here to share the tsunamis with everybody and to actually let them film it. The video that you get to watch inside, I recorded part of it, but I think I'll have to delete that because I'm sure it's got copyright. I might add little pieces. But look at this. The wave coming in. She said it's crazy. It came so fast, 30 meters high. And this area right here was only 12 meters high. I say only, but that's, I showed you outside. Yeah. Here's another piece of one of the wreckages. So December 26, 2004. Unbelievable loss of life. Okay, at 9:35 a.m. the water receded 100 meters from the coast. 9:40 a.m. 7-meter high reached land. It took roughly 2 to 3 minutes for the water to recede. Then another wave crashed 5 meters high at 9:45. And the seawater was back to level at normal state at 11 a.m. Wow. I couldn't tell right away, but this is a pickup. Wow. It just totally destroyed this pickup or wrapped it into pieces. It's a 4x4 truck of some sort. Andaman Heaven on Earth. The Andaman Sea is considered a heaven on earth and a destination for foreign tourists from around the world. Unfortunately, a number of them suffered from the 2004 tsunami. All their luggage we traveled here with. Okay, she said to continue onward and we'll be able to go on the roof and see around the area. Even clothes were taken. Almost all victims, either who survived or died from the tsunami, lost their belongings and even their clothes. Oh wow, that ship is up here on land. I mean, you see that wave coming, it came so fast. How do you get away from that? And as far in town as what it went into, there's just no time to get away. It had to be something established like the rooftop of this building. They said is a safe zone. They just took that big ship like it was nothing. Brought it inland. Now this just means you would be safe if the tsunami weren't any higher than that one that just came. But if it's worse than that, this doesn't do. So this is the wave height right here. This wall is how high the wave went. These two boats are sitting where they were brought, just left here. Man, the wave is even higher back here. I mean, this is still well over my head, and we've come up quite a distance. Okay, this structure is inspired by a fisherman's fishing trap. At night there is a lantern lighting system designed to commemorate the victims of the tsunami disaster. The tower is a 12-meter height, divided into 3 stories. Each story is lined with the wooden boards, and top of the tower will have a view around the village. Wow. We'll have to go up, I guess. If we're going to get a view around the village, we're going to have to go up. You can actually see the sea from here. Everything there was all destroyed, has been rebuilt in the last 25 years. Excuse me, the last 20 years. So if you look from here, how far you had to go to be safe. You had to go well past where we were driving in. That's why they lost so many lives here. You can see Jai is sitting down here. We're on the steps that goes up in the tower. But we're at the actual water level height when the tsunami came in. You can see as referenced by that wall there. And look down, and we're still quite a distance away from the ocean itself on the other side of all those buildings.
It means
Yeah, the wave
like a
came in.
building, huh?
The wave came in from that way to us here.
It means all this building is
It was all destroyed.
all
All destroyed.
these
Those are
houses,
all rebuilt.
The one-story house.
Yeah, they were
All
all.
rebuilt?
Yeah, they're all rebuilt.
Wow.
21 years old. Everything was destroyed.
This new house, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Phang Nga Khem Tsunami Memorial Park. Obviously, this was all seriously underwater. Yeah. This memorial has placards of the names of people who perished. Forever in Paradise. Karen Blatt of Germany. So sad. These poor people, they came to enjoy a wonderful vacation and had to endure such trauma. You can only imagine it was days hunting for their loved ones. Hi. One of the boats that sitting where it landed. Touching. I've already forgotten how many meters out the water receded before it started coming back in, the massive wave. But looking at the pictures, you could see it coming for a long, long ways. You see the direction the waves are coming. They're more coming across this way. Well, if you can just imagine, it would be so scary. I mean, if you're standing here and you see something like that coming, you know there's no way out. There's more than 2 kilometers that way to safety. And that wave was coming in far faster than we can run. We hope you enjoyed our content here at Phang Nga, where the tsunami devastated the country in December 26th, 2004. If you like our content, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. We're out.